Hello everyone, friends. On the calendar today, I will show you how to block, fix an Instagram profile photo. To do this, you need to click on the three strips settings on the phone as well. That's it. Next, accordingly, we need to go to the privacy of the account and enable the private account first. That's it. And then we need to scroll down and click on support. That's it. Next, click on the help center. We are being transferred here. And here I need where the tab, was it helpful to write? No. Select another. Click select. That's it. And write a message here that I need a problem with mine, need help with my account. Yes, that you want to lock your profile picture so that it can no longer be changed and viewed. And click the submit button. Here or in the Instagram settings here, click more and click report the problem. Click continue report. Right? Nazimayam don't include. Here, insert the same text, select the profile, and click send report, and you will be blocked. Accordingly, your profile photo. That's all. I was with you. Everyone, bye.